Kitchen. Kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. Living room. Living room. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room. Bedroom. Bedroom. I sleep in the bedroom. I sleep in the bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom. Dining room. Dining room. We eat dinner in the dining room. We eat dinner in the dining room. Garage. Garage. We park the car in the garage. We park the car in the garage. Balcony. Balcony. I relax on the balcony. I relax on the balcony. Garden. Garden. The children play in the garden. The children play in the garden. Stairs. Stairs. I go upstairs using the stairs. I go upstairs using the stairs. Roof. Roof. The roof covers the house. The roof covers the house. Attic. Attic. We keep old things in the attic. We keep old things in the attic. Porch. Porch. I sit on the porch in the evening. I sit on the porch in the evening. Laundry room. Laundry room. My mother washes clothes in the laundry room. My mother washes clothes in the laundry room. House. House. I live in a house. I live in a house. Toilet. Toilet. The toilet is next to the bathroom. The toilet is next to the bathroom. Door. Door. The door is open. The door is open. Window. Window. The window is open. The window is open.